Hi guys, there's a few little extra settings for audio that work well for music. So if you go to the top right and click your cog, go over to audio, click the audio settings button. You then want to untick the auto volume and then slide that little slider just down to like below a quarter, particularly if you're going to be on drums. That's your input gain. Go down to the bottom right, click on advanced. You need to disable the top two options. And then also enable this little tick box here about natural sound. When you're in the meeting, there'll be a little box on the top left for you to click use natural sound. That's it. Just makes it sound a little bit better. Okay, bye.